Owl Pellet Dissection by Jackson Wagner. Owl pellet dissection is when the scientist takes the bones out of the owl poop. Biologists can learn what animals live in a habitat. Owl pellet dissection can be fun and interesting. To start the owl pellet dissection is considered enjoyable. It is easy. It is like hide and seek. The bones are hiding and I find them. In summary, owl pellet dissection is fun because it is not hard and it is like a game. Good. Next, owl pellet dissection is found to be interesting. Biologists discover bones and the animals they belong to. It is like solving the mystery. To summarize, dissecting owl pellets is fascinating because scientists match the bones to the animals to find out what the owl ate. In conclusion, when biologists find the bones in the owl poop, dissection continues to teach which animals live in a habitat. It is enjoyable because it is easy, like hide and seek. Finally, it is fascinating because scientists find out what the owl ate. When they match the bones to the animals, what if people dissected their pet's poop? What could they learn?